Oh my god. So right now for me it's like really early, but I have to be up because we're going somewhere. Remember when I told you that February is about to be lit? I'm doing this for you guys. Let's get it. So pretty much in the car right now, my mom and my sister packing up their stuff in the back, and as you can see, I got on my Go Far shirt because we're about to go like really far today. So I'll catch you guys back when we're on the road and we're ready to go. Come on, you got the vlog now. Hi guys. Cold as hell. Have anything to say for the camera? Nah. Just made it to Dunn Falls. It's drizzling, but that won't stop the action. No. Yeah, so we're excited. I've never been before. You've been before, Steven? One time. I was probably like 6 or something.
And mommy has been before, so it should be fun. Woohoo!
So guys, we are here finally at Dunn Falls. It's gonna be super amazing. Right now we're about to check out the stuff that we need. I mean, I'm going on the falls, my sister is going on the falls. I don't think my mother is going on the falls, but I'm going on the falls. So it's called Dunn Falls. So that's what we're gonna do.
Why? The last part is dip my foot on.
So you see, we're very early.
It's too early. Okay.
Not too early. As I said, guys, the early bird catches the most worms. You know, so we're gonna be here because we're in Ocho Rios. I kind of wanted to keep that as a secret from you guys, but we're now in Ocho Rios, and we're gonna be here for a few days. So I want to get here early. You know, I don't want to come here like really late and then, you know, you're doing 1 and 2 things only. I want to really enjoy here as much as possible. I know I'll be here probably several more times before, you know, because there's so much here to do in Ocho Rios, Jamaica. It's very big on tourism, so if you're a tourist and you want to enjoy something in Jamaica, check out Ocho Rios. You're gonna see what's gonna be up. And this is why we come here early, because mommy is going to need to find something and turn back constantly. For those of you Jamaicans who are coming here, please carry a Jamaican ID.
Don't be like mommy or too lazy to turn back.
Morning, morning, morning.
Can you laugh after me, you know? When I tell you I've never been to Dunn, she laugh. Big 20 year old I've never come. But you've gone to Mystic Mountain. How many people can say that? Yeah. Thanks, mom.
Yo, the excitement is like really building up. I'm so excited I'm walking backwards, man. It's crazy. So legitimately, we've been here for maybe like 20 minutes because of one passport. My mother didn't carry a passport. Guys, please.
I carried my card, it's just that I left it in the car.
Take your ID, it's very important.
And it won't let you in either. It's not a joke thing.
The cool thing about this also is that you can pay for your water shoes, because I plan to go to a lot of places like waterfalls, so I'll pay for my water shoes and stuff.
Depends on what you want. We have Jamaican food.
I can't afford food. Food is just
expensive. Right.
Just to clue you guys in, it's like for 3 persons, well residents, it's like around like $34. Plus the water shoes as well, as I said. The vlog, you know?
good.
It's good? Hey, technology.
Yeah.
Oh no, we don't.
So I'm about to try on these shoes, pretty much. Hopefully they fit. We're well sorted out. Jamaica, Jamaica.
For 2. Yeah.
But my sister's foot is
I'm
too
gonna give you $10 back.
small, so you have to get something different. My mom is happy. You guys can hear the waterfalls already. Whew. Like right now, I'm like super happy. Like I'm just really chill. I'm here with my 2 favorite females in the world, mom and my sister. So I mean, just gonna enjoy the day, and we're taking you guys with us. We are taking you guys with us. So I need to get changed, so finally at this changing room place. Woo. Snapchatting, everybody got hot, mommy got hot. And of course me there, so just look regular. I mean, like this week I didn't even go to the gym any at all because I was like, yo, I'm gonna put in the work for this weekend, I can just be free. So that's what's happening now. We're about to get our falls tour. So now we're pretty much on this thing, about to get ready for the tour. is like so good. I love it. It's amazing.
It's about to be lit. Hugs, guys.
The shoes is allowed to get wet.
Yeah.
So pretty much, guys, we're at the starting point of our tour. It's about to go down and I'm like so happy. You don't even know, man. No.
All those arm workouts that we're working on.
Oh, snap! Woo! Yo, this water is like really cold, yo. It's super cold, guys. Yo, check out this bird. Ah, beautiful. My mom is like super cold. Oh my god. Hold on. We're about to like somebody take some fat pictures for us. It's gonna be crazy. Guys, it's mad crazy here. Especially at the end of the falls. Mom is taking all the bags. Bag lady today.
Alright. Everybody, good morning.
Good morning.
Alright, my name is Pedro and I'm going to be your guide. We are going to be climbing from here.
So we're pretty much at the whole hand segment, like we're about to hold hands. There's up the falls, so yeah, it's about to be pretty good. I hope no one falls and brings down the whole line. Please.